Some green goggles. Be for welding protection. So yeah. So I have it running in my room. It looks kind of cool. And this will be the centerpiece of the thing. And I will try my best to secure it. Maybe I will use something. But ideally I want it to be in the far left. It's okay, this is soda-lime glass, so there ain't gonna be no problems. But I'm still wearing the equipment for protecting myself because that's just practice. So I'd have something like this guy. The freaking thing had to be big because the connector itself was really friggin' annoying. So I will just have to somehow seal that in. Well, I don't really need to. I just have to put this whole assembly outside. So this is how the lamp looks. I don't know if this damages my camera or not, but I mean most of it is being blocked by the glass itself, so I guess it's fine. I'm not gonna get burned for this. At least I friggin' hope. You guys tell me if I fucked myself over or not with that thing. Although I'll find out later, but I'm wearing at least some protection. So yeah, I'll be fine. So anyway, this is gonna be the centerpiece of my setup. The diffuser of chlorine and hydrogen will be down here, either 1 or 2, depending on how effective this thing is at absorbing chlorine when this light is on. If it's not effective at all, then I guess I have to co-diffuse them and hope for the best and make sure that it's the very opposite. Anyway, the flow rate wouldn't be high enough, and I'm going to coat the tubes in phosphor and black ink so that UV can't penetrate them. So that will be also another extra safety feature, and they will only mix once they get to wait, where is that thing? Once they get to something like wait, 1 second. Oh, I almost dropped it. Once they get to like a T-joint, that's the only time chlorine and hydrogen will come from this side and mix, if that has to be done that way. I want to avoid that as much as possible. But if it's unavoidable, then it will have to be done that way. Anyway, this is the centerpiece of our setup. This plastic lid, I don't expect it to last very long. I mean, after continued usage, this will soon to be erode, but this doesn't have to be airtight. I mean, yeah, so this is pretty much it.